this year. Recent in November last year. Rita Edochie. It shall never be well with Rita Edochie. She shall never live to see anything good in her life. Rita Edochie borom. Sin na lion say that na make what Michon ga watake were art here like in that who grad the new worker. Moke will make fake prophecy. I did it. I put them up to 4 people. Even my one care, I'm on my or dime, I go mass. Many man them put at me. I put a lot of people at the church. Edge we make fake prophecy, edge walk wire, edge menka, this and that, blah blah blah. Nkahaga. Little the chat bomb sim na mibikon na michoria minya numbers and the big man ga Wuriki may invite no good bogenye go this little dosha old woman. I'm very sure that woman is older than my mother. Nkahaga fell. I gave her number of my boss, not Dubai. May he so rest in peace. The man who this year. That one pass. I then mina lion in Ubezoku this year. Keviness remina lion. One guy from India set money for family liberation. Mina lion discuss percentage again. He didn't give it to me. Problem came. Then this girl put away one emo and send them this message. When I posted something about lion, I didn't post anything about lion that time. I didn't post anything about lion that time. You are messaging one emo. I don't know one emo. For me before, I didn't know her. One emo there message. Leon them, she said, I was the one that called you asking you to apologize to Odumeje, and that's our brother in India. You took 490K in the name of Lion sent you. You really went far to tarnish Lion image. Listen, I'm giving you 72 hours to come on live and apologize. If not, I will destroy your image, this and that. The message, believe this message is enough. I screenshot this message, save way on my laptop. Where I send this to my family. See my family had to read the message in case of anything. All these guys here, that February period. Where I send I don't know you. Why this kind of threatening message? That one pass. To my greatest surprise. And I'm after me who lodge. Some guys hate Jirebe with axe. With one lady. He had 3 boys and 1 lady that should enter bus. He and I met around 5:30 to 6 in 5:30 to 6 a.m. in the morning. Here, Broom, Jewan an uncompletable building. They tried everything possible. In fact, in Hakrum that time. I can't even believe it till now. I went to police station. I make their petition. My family has said, "Can I forget about this and move on?" Every time people were telling me, "Forget about this and move on. Forget about this and move on. Forget about this and move on." I forget about it. So my boss, this recently. Kingsley, my husband, we be do sebam that na wine one zagez wine. See that na mu we torom voice note. Kingsley be do torom voice note. Na again.
When I came again, I let when you cheat on you. Kebezoku. Afa bara kebe yeni ya no yemereme. On a cheat on you. Cheat on you.
Then this woman, she's on Facebook. Also not any hairs and wine. But my husband made a shitty on him. I have to call her, confront her. We confront all this woman, boy on phone. We record their call me. We record that call me this woman. Where do I see her? Madam, Elenke, what do you mean by this your voice note? What do you say? What do you mean by this your voice note? That I'm cheating on my husband. And look when I work money and now cheating on my husband with.
Hello.
Look at what I asked her. Record that call. She didn't know that I was recording her call.
Now your own understanding you can if you cheating. After is na my page when in your life. Okay, now why you it's Yakanono? Okay, my the meaning of me. Okay, my the meaning of me. I'm a meaning. And that's Kesi kiss when a porn of he great them nata. He graph chaff give me porn of the overbody need to reach an allegum or something. Give me porn of the when I was doing that Namune sheet on him. Him open my page.
That the mini as a call let's work in the
when did you don't want to why? What kind of idea your web? I'm trying to bait me now. Yeah, but now what I'm getting. Network will give it back. You know what I get? Man, you know what I now. So I'm saying, Lord, ask for me. As I'm in a drink it and that's my teacher. She's not in our nominal silhouette. Oh, well, the picture. You know, when I borrow your husband, dig a new share. I want to find a good cheating. Oh, well, the messages, the call, or the text messages, you know, when I borrow the send it. I want to laugh or blue cheating. They go men and all the nanny was ready. So, again, I say, Becky, I'm not ready for bed. Now that's, I'm not a good best. Because on this is where this is where imagine I'm not frozen. Remember what Dinama and I'm frozen. And I don't do everything about me. I don't do also. Not a fool on my energy. Even the about the Nomena, or Metalupulu and the Bell. Or Metalupulu, okay, my yes. Ngosigo kotoro buru ga amakwa ya isi ma ya wo ko ya ka na ba chere ka ngosigo kotoro buru na eji me eba ya na chere na wa ka ngosigo kotoro buru ka ma ko so ibia na asimu ya se ewe na se beta.
So this record they call me the call her that much. She later called me, started apologizing to me that no they sorry. Obuna didn't misunderstand in her gware. That young no gwadim na me shit on him, but no we ho meaning. Ni ho meaning wu na moyo bla wu okay, meaning as the picture gra with him no shitting. No yo bla wu okay, meaning as the picture gra with him. Yeah, your mum I forgive her. I forget about that one. Then, could you imagine that Rita Edochie went and be telling my husband that I'm cheating on him? Rita Edochie de wedding namuna abaniro namuna cheat on him, this and that. Namuna cheat on him, this and that, blah 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 blah. We made that one endure. My boss Narita Edochie Zarakol. My boss Narita Edochie Zarakol. My boss said we gbam ye Rita we gbam same that na. Hi Rita Edochie na Zarakol. Rita Edochie we na gwa that na me na jump from one man to another. No just watching Rita Edochie nkete na record the call here.
But why? Ada. Hello.
This thing has been going on, and I'll be talking to people.
So it's possible. In the Rita is just saying about you are cheating on your husband, you are doing this, doing that, and then a problem with it, major, your time. But don't worry, I'll get back to you. Just relax, I'll fix these things in order. I've seen what you've sent.
So Rita Edochie is an evil woman. She started all this problem. Rita Edochie started all this problem. Apart from that as a wine own, Rita Edochie started all this problem. She went to go and tell my husband because now me no do me jene nwoku, me na ha na nwoku. Eje fake prophecy. Haji fake on the aya, this and that, blah 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 blah. Then what they said is instead of them to give me my own percentage, they didn't give it to me. Hanging my own percentage. Okay, because instead of them to say the truth, what really happened? Instead of them to say the truth, what really happened? Little they said, now about my husband, now I'm gonna 1 euro. That one passed. Okay, look at what my husband is doing. If I want to go for show, he will not accept it. Just me a glass show. Before we got married, I'm going to say that he should not distract my career. Why everybody just come now for? Which can't be this one? He should not distract my career. I'm going to say he should not distract my. Yeah, promise him that no get 3 months near Basra career. Anything I'm posting on the internet is money to me. When I got Dubai, and when I got Dubai, he said no. He said actually, I got go party and invite. He refused. But then I go visa, buy tickets, nah cheap. He refused. Nga Dubai, but you're quiet because that one, you are because for some maybe home, may I hold your mother, you are because my Angela may hold your very clear mom that no more. I don't have time for him. He's not feeding me. You know, when I got the back, that's no name. Since a minute, you log up now, he can't offer you 3.7 million naira. You know, we are got Takitanas, no name. Watch her. Didn't do any, but I can only do advert for him. He paid for my flight ticket through and through. I went to go and do the advert for him at his hotel. Or that I'm sleeping with the man. This is the man. I want to call him. Yeah, I will see fortune. I want to call him, but I don't know if he's going to pick my call. Leon B's number. Or that night, I went to hotel to stay with the man for 2 weeks. That.